Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the FACEIT anti-cheat errors in your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, right-click on the Windows icon on your taskbar over here. Then I want you to select Install Applications or Apps and Features from the menu. In the search bar at the top, choose or type FACEIT and hit Enter. So here, this is what we need. We can simply left-click on it and you should be able to see and uninstall option. So click on it. It might take a few minutes. Then once done, you're done with step number one. Okay. Now another way is to delete the leftover files. So close on this, click on the search bar, then type run. Okay. So left click on this. Then what you need to do is type and follow this. Okay. So percentage local app data percentage, hit OK or enter, then a new folder will show up. We need to find facet. Just simply press on F, and then we need to right click on it. Just simply delete everything. Okay, this will delete any leftover files that the installation did not delete in your PC. All right. So once done, you can close and you may choose to restart your PC if you want. All right. And that's it. By following all of these steps, you have now successfully fixed the errors in your Windows 10 or 11. I hope you found this video very helpful.